I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at the color content type in Shopify's Online Store 2.0. On the Metafield definition page, I've already entered a name and description for my new metafield, as well as selecting the color content type. I've named my metafield Accent Color and described it as an accent color for the product page. The color content type allows your internal users to select specific colors for each product page, which can then be called by your page template to allow you to create a variety of different visual designs. The color content type doesn't require any additional settings or validation, so let's go ahead and save our metafield and see how this looks in the back end of the product page. Our new metafield appears at the bottom of the product page. When we click into the field, a color picker appears. By clicking anywhere within the color picker, you can choose any color you like to populate this metafield. Alternatively, if you already know the specific color you would like to use, you can type or paste a hex code into this field. A color metafield isn't going to do very much on its own, so you'll probably need the help of a dedicated developer to really make the most of this tool. To better understand the other metafields and how to use them to customize the front end of your online store, check out our video on creating a metafield in Shopify's Online Store 2.0.